Hey, totally not fucking incredibly late. Totally not late. Some family shit came up for a bit, and I had to go take care of that first, and that was a long conversation to have with folk. So I apologize for being so late, but shit came up. This year's already looking like it's gonna be a shit show like last year. It's 6 months in. Alright, we're gonna get the ads rolling. We're doing a fucking coding stream today. I know, it's wild. For once, my ass is at... My glasses are completely fucked over. Okay, I gotta clean them. There we go. Alrighty. I just immediately roll the ad break now. I didn't start the bot. I am sloppy as shit today. Holy shit, dude. So here, the audio may be a bit too loud with the music. I apologize. I'm trying to adjust it as I can, but alright, that's fine. Alright, we gotta... Alright, first things first. We need to parse Spotify out from this bitch. So for doing that, we can kill you. That can die. That can die. And those three can die. We've got all that shit done. That is wildly out of date. Good to see how badly this breaks everything. Man, I really do need to do some spring cleaning. There's some shit from, like, functions that haven't been used in, like, years. Do that. I'm gonna break everything this way. I can feel it. Okay. Okay. So let's see here. I'm expecting this to be kind of quiet, so... You guys get to listen to me fucking talk about bullshit. Alright, so the Spotify API can fuck right off into hell. Pop you open as well, see if that changed anything. Okay. Yes, this is kind of going to just be a bit of a chill stream, shorter stream probably. The shit that happened with the family earlier this morning kind of dampened my mood a little bit. Tiny bit, a lot of bit. Get shit set up for that. Oh, there's so much I need to do still. I feel like I want to wait for people to actually like get in and start talking with me and shit, because right now it's just, you know, waiting around for that. Shit. Alright. We need to do a lot of shit today. No, I'm not gonna get pissy about it. Let's see here. So... yeah, a lot of shit's changed over the past couple weeks. At this point when you don't use Vim. Yeah, I don't feel like having to learn an entire new language just to, like, work with Vim. Also, I have to use shit with Windows, so... well, I know I could use Vim using Git Bash, but, you know, I don't feel like it. Also, welcome in, Cross. Long time no see. It's a rare coding stream today. I got the willpower to not have to want to fucking blow my own brains out thinking about coding. Because work no longer sucks as much. So, new shit for the bot. I've really moved away from Spotify. I got kind of tired of the sheer amount of AI music that was filtering into my Discover Weeklies. If I'm gonna listen to like actual art shit, yeah, you can see right there. I moved to Kobu's. If I'm gonna listen to actual like music and shit, I want it to be made by actual people and not just like something some dickheads made while also burning enough electricity to like power a hospital for a day. I got tired of it, so we're deleting everything related to Spotify. Oh, cancel. S. Okay. Looks like it booted. Sounds like a you issue. That it is. Hence why I solved it. So Spotify is now a thing of the past. But yeah. Oh, before I forget, let's go to... what was it? Data. We're gonna go... wipe the suggestions list. I forgot that it does that shit now. Fuck me. Do I have a do I have a goddamn LLM on my machine that I gotta worry about now? Is that a mosquito? That's a crack in the wood. Okay, never mind. I took a medication today, but I could barely tell. I had a family emergency earlier this morning, which is why I'm so late. I do apologize again for that, but, you know. Grandma... yesterday was a nightmare in a lot of ways. Around lunchtime, Grandma... I got a call from sister saying that Grandma fell. Just turn it off. I could. Grandma fell, right? And, that sucked. Yeah, she's a fine, you know. Giant fucking bruise on her side, but she's alive. You know, 88 years old, took a fall, giant bruise, was on blood thinner, so the bruise is like from the top of her chest down to like her thigh. Not great, but you know, she could be worse. She's gonna get released from the hospital sometime this week. Basically when I heard that, I rushed out of my home, called off work for the rest of the day. I'm just looking over because I thought I saw something weird. No, okay. Call off work for the rest of the day. I get to the train station, I buy the ticket and everything. I get a call from my father telling me, she's fine, she's alive, don't bother about coming, you know, coming down, we're gonna go, she's okay, you don't have to worry. I almost rip into him and right then and there, because I'm running high on fucking adrenaline, thinking, oh, so she's not actively dying. It's just, I wanted to rip people's heads off at that point. Wrong thing to think about. I didn't want to kill anybody, right? But just like I was waiting to like kill, like, not kill, but like wanting to like rip people's heads off and shit. Okay, so I know what I was doing here, but the issue is that this is the wrong... We could actually fix this. I'm gonna change out. What's this blood? We're going to... X... B... No. X... B... I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to cut these comments out. There. Now it looks like it's properly formatted. Bro wanted to kill his grandma. I didn't want to kill my grandmother. That's the opposite of what I wanted to do. I wanted to kill my old man because he was fucking being very... not giving a fuck about the whole goddamn thing. Parameter. What the fuck is the error, anyways? What is the error parameter, anyway? I'm fucking stupid. Did I do that right? Yeah, I think I did. I'm trying to figure out the formatting for this shit because I'm not used to it. But yeah, work has been meh, I'll say. Project manager has been kind of neglecting a lot of shit. Well, not neglecting, but just mismanaging the fuck out of stuff, and it's annoying. So I'm just gonna go through and fix this shit now. Cross, if you have any suggestions, I just cleared the suggestions list, so put them in. But how have you been, by the way, Cross? How's shit been for you? Long time no see and all that shit. That was my suggestion, too. Clear the suggestions list? Yes, it was, and I fulfilled it. I was here like last week. Well, again, long time no see, fucker. Oh, right. This was an unfinished function. There we go. Alright, snooze next add. Yep. I may also get a call later on. After before I forget here. After that whole shit, and I decided to go back home. I already called off work, and my mind was frazzled. I wasn't gonna bother with that shit, right? I ended up deciding to actually take care of some like smaller chores. Finally closed out the old bank account that I didn't need anymore. Closed out, and I decided to get my knives sharpened of all fucking things. I don't. Well, it's already gives enough of. I'm trying to remember that I don't need to like hyper describe everything with this shit. Also, it's been like a week, so like shit can happen, you know. So comments there. Create rewards. User. Is it the user? No, it's the string. Returns nothing. Okay. I will say, though, I have been less than pleased as well with work because, how do I put this? Work is now pushing more forward with the AI shit, and there's some fucking stupid shit I've heard about that, by the way. Holy fuck. Apparently there's something called token maxing, which exists now, which when I heard about that, and I heard that it was apparently, what was his name? Jesse Huang? The guy who's the CEO of NVIDIA. I started laughing because it was very obviously like the most I want you to spend more money type shit you can imagine. It was fucking. I'm praying the AI dies, and I'm hoping for many things, really. I'm hoping for a miracle. Because I'm hoping AI dies, but it doesn't destroy the economy completely, but it does kill the AI shit and allows, like, you know, and it turns into something kind of much more niche, like cryptocurrency. I'm hoping it does that. Alright, this is getting boring. I need to change gears. Okay, so let's see here. We've got a bunch of shit for Discord. We've got all this shit here. What do I want to do today? You know what? Pull up. I'm gonna look up. Close this API. Does. So, the music service that I'm now using is no longer Spotify, but Kubus, because it allows me to have like actual high definition like audio and shit. It takes over. There will be no more poor souls forced to be web devs. Oh god, what a dream. Yes, there'll be no more poor souls to be web devs, but at the same time, I'd be out of a fucking job. I'm trying to see where this fucking API client is. Let's see. That's a LinkedIn. That's LinkedIn, so. That's why you have to work something more complex like working in the coal mines. Yes, because well, swinging an act. Yeah, as if the robots aren't coming to replace that shit neither. Oh god. I also discovered, yeah, but like token maxing, from what I can understand, before I get more off topic than I already have been, essentially, from what I have heard. Okay, I'm not getting that. If that's. Oh, there was an API a couple years ago, but they murdered it. So it's only available for commercial ventures. Oh, that sucks. Okay, so I guess we ain't doing shit with that. Ah, oh, damn. Oh well. Yeah, it's... Basically, the fucking token maxing seems just like, you just burn every token you have for your API, for your machine learning stuff, and it's just like bone mesh being 8 pixel gigachad. I don't think so. Fuck. I'm also kind of pissed off because it's like, sometimes it's useful, but like I can definitely tell some of my coworkers have been relying really fucking heavily on just having the code be generated for them rather than actually writing it themselves. It shouldn't piss me off more than it does, but it does piss me off, you know? And it sucks. Alright. You know what I'm going to do? My dumbass is going to try this again. Also, by the way, I apologize for the gigantic flashbang. That also hurt my eyes, too. Dismiss. Oh, looks like that the actual code looks fine. What is the name? You should start. Doesn't matter if the product will be shit. Every product will be shit. Yeah, I mean, that's... You should start... Well, what, you mean using... It's not as if I haven't used those fucking AIs for shit, right? It's not as if I haven't, you know? I'd be a liar if I said that I didn't. What is the name of the app that I'm using for the multi-chat? Axel Chat. It's open source. If I haven't signed into GitHub, shit, I may not be able to push anything right now. Oh well. Add files via GitHub, EULA, privacy. Is it actually open source, or is it just like partially open source? I was hoping. Absolutely just is partially open source. It's got links and other things. It's probably just the GitHub site. Oh, fuck. Do you have multiple devices? No, but just as a way in case like a fire happens, you know? Just look up. Let me do a Hail Mary here. At some point I'm going to clean my search history. Houses made of cardboard. Listen, I live in a brick apartment building that sucks shit, kind of. You know, there's a lot of work that needs to go on here. There's a lot of shit I could talk about with it, but... Can I turn you off? Never save. Die. Don't need that. Waste of time, and it told me nothing. Let's see. Laravel. Fuck me. Dude, my fucking work is obsessed with also trying to switch everything over to Laravel, and I don't understand why. It's usable for some shit, but... it's ass and everything else. Fucking nothing. Hold on, let's see. Tells me nothing. Damn it, I was hoping for something that was, like, actually usable, because Google's documentation on their own livestream shit is ass.
For relaxing time, make it Centauri time.
Means nothing. Fuck. Why is everything shit? Hold on, this looks interesting. Bang.js. Don't tell me I need to have yet another WebSocket server to get this shit running. Ugh. Holy shit. Brother, just use the API at that point. Okay, so that's not gonna work. This is just copy-pasting the fucking page from YouTube. I'm being a snitch. Okay. Why is it getting hot in here all of a sudden? What the fuck is happening? Who fucking knows? Let's see.
Music itself, you know, the feeling of it, the sound of it.
That tells me nothing, because I need to figure out how it can just grab the latest broadcast on a channel. What the fuck is this? Tells me nothing. No, that tells me nothing as well. What is wrong with me? I'm gonna switch to video games soon, because I'm getting fucking ready to rip my own head off.
He did care about people, but because of, I guess how...
Bold move to include your own, what looks like your own API key and channel IDs.
Give them beef without regard to his time or energy.
Very bold move. We'll leave that because I may actually have something useful in it. I won't guarantee it, but it could. I fucking hate this. Gonna be truthful, I don't really feel like adding Google's API to this fucking bot. There's a quota calculator, which isn't cool. We're getting comments. Do you think it'll be a comments section, or do you think it'll be channels? Do you think it'll be comments? No, maybe a comment technically is like a live chat, so it would be a different thing. Fucking hell. So, it can't automatically do it, which is fine. Fuck. Why is this such a pain in the ass? In this... Oh, alright. Fuck. Yeah, so data API has dick. Could get a page some. I fucking hate Google sometimes, man. I hate Google a lot of the time. Not the project is registered. I swear I already did that. Maybe I didn't. Do I want to do this? Fuck that. Nah, fuck that shit. We're gonna do something different. Hold on. Am I fucking stupid? Controller, timestamp to files. Let's see. Set stream marker. I'm gonna try it really quick. Hold on. Cannot set stream marker. I'm gonna do it this way and see what we can get. $400 back request. Interesting. Guess we're pulling up Twitch's API. For all the shit I give Twitch about their API documentation, at the very least they're not Google's. The length of the description field is too long. User ID field is required. Hey, what the fuck is this? Could this be a string, you think? This fucking works, I'm gonna eat my hat. $400, yeah. I am seeing a error from CloudFront on the VIA section of the response internals. Cool. Oh boy. I am fucking stupid, ain't I? Request, but user ID field is required. What is the user ID field supposed to be? A string. Okay, so that's set correctly. Must match the user ID and the access token, or the user and the access token must be one of the broadcaster's editors. Is this the right user ID? I'm gonna try setting it to this user ID, see what we get. I don't think it'll work, but we'll try. Same 400, it's almost immediate, too. Let me see if I can find an example. I'm gonna fucking blow my own brains out this way. I actually want to cut my own throat right now, because this is actually I'm getting mad. Let's see, so I could possibly see the markers in a tab on my stream. Nah. Nothing. Fuck. Fuck. We'll see how long my will to live goes with this shit. I'm getting, like, actually a bit pissy. Because this is ridiculous. It says 400. I'm not doing anything different from what is, like, stated in the actual markers. Fucking says that I need to have this. According to the reference, a 400 bad requests means that either the description field is too long, in which case I may just get rid of the description field right now, because it's supposed to be 140 characters, but something's wrong, or the user ID field is required. User ID field is here. I should be getting something that isn't a 400 error when I run this. And yet, here I am. There's a specific, physical button I'm pressing to get this to work, right? 400. I legitimately don't know what I'm doing wrong. Now, if I were smarter, I'd be able to figure this out really fucking easy, but I'm not. I'm actually stupid. I'm very stupid, actually. No descriptor. No funny... So this is fine. Keeping this here is fine. Doesn't matter if I, like, do it this way or do it another way. What is this fucking endpoint called? Create stream marker. Create stream marker 8 Twitch API getting portrait of all info present. Hold on, let's see. There's something on the on the Twitch's forums. Fuck, it is so out of date. It is from damn near not 7 years ago. Fuck. User edit broadcast. Channel manage broadcast. I don't want to have to dig into my fucking database just to see what scopes I've got attached to this fucking bot. God damn it, all this shit is for Kraken. Anytime. Past month. I'm gonna pull my brains out. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be, I'm gonna fucking cut my own throat. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fucking do it. I'm already including the client ID, so that's not missing either. I'm gonna check. I gotta fucking pop open. You guys don't get to see this. You guys aren't allowed to see this, sorry. I need to check my Twitch off. Let's see, so... Client ID, yep, okay. User read email, channel manage broadcast, so that's fucking there. Oh, God. Channel manage broadcast is here as the second fucking scope. My user ID is already here. I will take any suggestions on how to actually get this to work properly, because this is I'm getting pissed off. Because I'm not seeing what I'm doing wrong. You know, it's just like I do it this way, it doesn't work. I do it the other way, it doesn't fucking work. Why does this exist here? I'm deleting that commented code. That doesn't need to be there. I feel like I'm doing something bad, doing something wrong. More information, creating highlights and stream markers. Let's take a look. Will you give me the information I seek, or will I need to cry? Stream markers. Add stream marker. I could also just include that as a widget on my OBS, now that I think about it, and that could be better. But I want a physical button. Because I've got a physical button attached to an Arduino that I'm using. Let me check to see if I've got an editor attached to this channel. Maybe I could expose my stream key. I don't want to do that though. That'd be funny if I did. Alright, so where do I see the editors for my channel, though? Have you entered community? Roles manager. This may not load. I'm gonna fucking shit blood. Just to, like, show you the fucking pit of madness I'm in right now. Thank you, Twitch, for having a broken feature on your site. I'm gonna fucking shit. I guess I could probably explain some, well, I'm essentially losing my mind trying to get this fucking stream marker shit to work. Maybe I could steal, look at some code. There isn't a GitHub site anymore. Oh, is this package like dead? When was this last updated? 2 years ago. Oh, no, Twitch may no longer be a thing. Let's take a look at your GitHub, see if I can, take a look at your documentation for this, because it was last commit 5 years ago. I'm fucking gonna shit. It was archived on 2025. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm on my own. I'm on my own. I'm on my own. Ugh. Do I need fetch? That from note fetch? I think I do. I hate this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong with this endpoint, and it hates me. I can't even tell what my fucking editors are. I may have to shelve this then, because I don't have the luxury actually seeing what I want to see. Which is horseshit. Alright, so that's not what I'm looking for anyway. Editor. So that's... Oh, so that part's just broken on Twitch right now. That's what's happening. Alright, cool. I'm angry. So that's broken, which means I can't actually see if I'm actually set this correctly, which means that this is just gonna stay this way for the rest of time. And I no longer care. Moving on. So Kobo's is a bust for getting an actual API set up, so that sucks. SQLite's been cleaned, we've cleaned up this. We need to continue like cleaning this up and like getting this into a separate file.
Ad starting now.
That did nothing. Why did that do nothing? Hello? But crashed. Interesting. That's a weakness I never knew existed. Your request is missing the scene item ID field. That is an interesting fucking error. 192. So, scene and source info. Should probably just be set to const. Type are you? What are you? Properties. Capture method. Okay, so kill that. I'm just making sure. Application kit. It's display capture. Which I remember from the docs was also audio capture, so that should be fine. Kind of realizing now that this is not exactly the best content for people to be watching. And that is in the means of just like... It'd be kind of boring. Watching me code, now that I think about it, because there's a lot of updates I need to do for this bot. None of them great. Still not certain what I'm doing wrong. It's all 11:46. This has been a bit of a fucking stinker of a stream, hasn't it? There is a lot of just, like, commented out code that I need to get rid of on this, huh? A linter would really help out with this, wouldn't it? Let me say that that comment there is a bit extraneous, but fuck you. I'm just doing it this way because this actually feels productive and is actually, like, unfucking everything. Now that I've actually got more experience coding at work. Part of me still kind of feels like... There's a part of me. A bad part of me. do it this way. I think that's the standard. If it ain't. Well, I'm certain I'll find out soon.
Good job, cooking soul. I swear to God.
This is really not the most productive stream, I think. I should have planned to set up it more. I'm not going to delete it, but I don't think this is a good stream. Yeah. Let's see. It's almost 12. I need to do some not air handling. Going through and just editing all this shit. Just going through and editing all this bullshit. We no longer use OpenAPI, so we'll get rid of this. That shit. Okay. I have an idea for something funny. We gotta delete the copy pasta animation. That thing's dead. I'm just going through and literally,
Cooking soul.
this needs a rewrite. This needs a rewrite. I'm realizing now. I need to rewrite this. This is ancient and it's not well.
toca a ti. Cuando llegas ves mi huella, huele a mí. Quieren jugar a ver quién es más macho. A ver, yo elijo guapo de muchos muchachos. Solo he nacido para tirarme el cacho. Dame 100.000 por escupir borracho. Pause. Like money on my mind, diamonds on my wrist. No me quiera mami, va a sufrir. Mejor te invito a cenar, te hago repetir. Después del postre hay un juguete. Ya sabes que palo voy. Palo tras palo. Tampoco te ha llamado. Salir contigo es un coñazo, estás
Should also rename this.
huele a mí. Un año después de que yo lo diga, lo decís. Un año después de que yo lo lleve, lo vestís. Un año después de que yo la de te toca a ti. Cuando llegas ves mi huella, huele a mí.
What you need? Word, 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 word. Come here to me.
I'm getting really nonverbal working on this shit. This is not really great viewing. I'm just gonna end stream and call it here. We'll be back tomorrow with actual video games. We won't be doing... We'll probably do the actual, state of the channel then, when there's actual shit to watch. But yeah.